Tomorrow, my brother will get the best present ever. A new exhaust system for his Husqvarna 701 Supermoto from Leo Vince, however you want to call it. He has wished for this for so long. And I understand him because the original exhaust system on that bike is so ugly. So now we just need to wrap it. And since my brother is called Leon, I thought we could customize this a bit and maybe create a Leon Vince. What do you think? A little bit of backstory. My brother wanted a new exhaust for his 701 for such a long time, but he never wanted to spend 700 to 800 euro just for a new slip-on exhaust. He always was hesitant, but whenever his bike came up, he was like, yeah, I love my bike, but the exhaust looks kind of, you know? And since it's his birthday in 2 weeks, I made it my mission to find him an exhaust system. Do you think it brings bad luck if he gets his present before his birthday? Then we can install it before the trip and he can enjoy it the whole trip. Maybe this way. I mean, let's just finish wrapping this. Done. Easy as that.
Right, it's the next day. My siblings and I are all at my dad's place. They're all still asleep, and I would be too if I wouldn't have the present. I'm so excited for his reaction.
Geil. Boah, Alter. Was ist das? Recycle? Nein! Was? Ey, das ist ja so geil. Hä, mach einen Ausdruck. Leon bin. Boah, der Klein. Ey, richtig geil. Vielen Dank. Und ich meinte noch die ganze Zeit, das ist das Einzige, was noch fehlt.
Und?
Yo. Yeah.
Nice! Alter! Junge, das sieht ja so krass aus.
Welcome to a new video. It is so good to see you. Today is the last day with the original exhaust of the 701 because this afternoon we're gonna put on the Leo Vince. Finally, we're getting rid of this thing. But now let's go for a last ride.
Let's do a sound check. Sound check. Let's do a sound check. Now, let's do a sound check. Let's do a sound check. Oh shit, let's get it off.
Alright, let's get this one on the bike. Are you excited? Ta-da!
Oh yes.
By the way, have you noticed the new seat cover? So sleek, right? That will match the new decals very well. There we go. Look at this bad boy.
Yeah, nice.
That's so gigantic. Rest in peace. What's the weight?
It's similar. I think the old one is a bit heavier. It's not by much, I think. Maybe it's the same actually.
Okay. Oh, the cut. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Looks so nice.
Maybe just so much better than the old one.
I guess at some point I need to hire Leon because it's actually nice. I just record, chill, and he does all the work. Let's tighten this one also. And then the first start. Let's annoy some neighbors. I need to adjust the audio so you don't lose your ears.
You ready? Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh, That's insane. Oh, awesome.
Nice.
Okay.
My cheeks hurt
go.
from the dry.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Not from the grinding, but that would be really weird. They're not cheeks, are they?
Ja, aber
Yeah.
butt cheeks.
My face hurts from all the smiling.
Das wolltest du sagen.
Yeah.
My cheeks hurt from all the driving. Put on the
Oh,
decal.
what? You want to put on the? Ah,
No, the plastics. The plastics.
yeah. Put it back together. Then we go for a nice ride and maybe a sound check.
Maybe. Who knows? Maybe not.
You look very professional doing that, by the way.
Thanks. Okay, nice. One last time.
Yeah. Go ahead. That sounds so good. Crazy. The sound is really nice because it's still legal, but yet it's loud, but not too loud. And then also you get this rumbling that's very seldom with the newer bikes, so that's really nice. I love the exhaust. Some say it's too loud, but I guess it's only too loud if you take out the dB eater, so that's really nice. Let me try it. Right guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think about the new Leovins? Let me know down below in the comments, and then I'll see you in the next one.